Yo, I got this first order as soon as I launched the apps. This is gonna be IHOP, $9, going 6 miles.
Have a good day.
You too. You know what's annoying? When I get a better order as I'm waiting for this one. I probably should have canceled this one and taken it, to be honest. It was a McDonald's, $9, going like 2 miles. Oh well. Okay, now I'll take that McDonald's order, please. Surely nobody else has picked it up and it's still floating around somewhere. Next up, we've got a stack going to the same person, I believe. We've got Voodoo Donut and Black Rock Coffee, $8, going 4 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a great one.
You too. Okay, yeah, this is only one drink, so if they were paying attention, this should be ready by the time I get there. For Sam.
Perfect. Just the one for you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Hello. Just dropping off for Sam. Next up, we've got a stack, looks like going to 2 different people. We got Sherry's. Ooh, that one might be a bit of a wait. And Starbucks. $9, going 2 miles. Yeah, the Starbucks is gonna have to wait. I'm so sorry, but what can you do?
Alright, there you go.
Okay, that one was ready. On to the next one. Excuse me. Just got the next order. We are going to Victor Rico's. This is $9, going 4 miles.
Ricky.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Finally got the next order. We've got a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $16, going 3 miles, 3 items. This one should be very good. Hand it to customer, huh? Well, good thing I have to make contact, considering it's cold and flu medicine, right? Lucky me. Just got the next order. This is going to be for McDonald's. $8 and some change, going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Ring doorbell. You got it. Oh no. Looks like we're going back to Walgreens. This is going to be a $9 order, 2.5 miles, only 1 item. Looks like homeboy forgot to get a COVID test, so lucky me. Gotta love the double dipping.
No problem. Thank you.
Hi. Where would I find a COVID test?
Right there.
Cool.
Have a good day.
Hello. Just drop it off. I mean, this is something. We got a Chick-fil-A, $7.50, going 3.5 miles. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Just got the next order. This one's gonna be for Starbucks. $11 going 4 miles. Hello.
Are you here for Sarah?
Yes.
Okay, just finished it.
Thank
Be careful,
you.
it's a little heavy on the bottom.
Gotcha.
Have a good day.
You as well. Okay, I am pretty far away from home, so I'm just gonna call it here. Current time is 11:13. Current total is 85, and I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in. So that's probably gonna put me around 95-ish. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.